Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the 15 moving average on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open Exness, then click on indicators here at the top left. Now here at the search bar, type moving average and choose this one, moving average. Click on it. And now, as you can see, this is our moving average, but this is not a 50 moving average. So to change it, go to MA9 here, click on these three dots, click on settings, go to input and change 9 to 50. Click on OK. Now this is a 50 moving average. So let's say you want to change this color. It doesn't look good. Click on these three dots, click on settings, go to style, and you can choose any color from these. So I will choose, for example, this one. We have also the thickness here. You can change it also if you want and click on OK. And now this is our 50 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.